Case study was done for using logistic regression method, and the business problem was that the particular company had around 4,000 employees, and they had attrition rate of 15%. So they wanted, which was affecting their day-to-day operations, and the business goal was to identify the factors affecting the attrition, to curb the attrition rate, and to identify the most important factor which are contributing to the attrition and how to address them. So the data which we had was around the demographic data like salary, gender, and others, and it was around 4,000 rows were there. Also the employee survey data like happiness, like how much how much they rate to their manager, similar vice versa for manager as well. And also office in time data, office out time data was there. And as part of the data quality check, we identified that employee ID was unique variable. Then we performed the certain data cleaning operations like removing the duplicate values, any values, and they also derived new particular column called average office hour in the office, so it was again a good parameter. And we also removed unnecessary of variables like employee count, as it was again one for each employee, so it was least significant. So that then we plotted we performed the exploratory data analysis steps, and we checked that yes, there are large number of employees within first. We have worked for 10 years in that particular company. We checked the salaries across all the departments. We also checked the mean and median for that, and how much the distance from home of that particular employee. So all these parameters were checked, and we discarded insignificant variables, and then identify categorical variables like attrition, business travel, education field, etc. And the final dataset, we had around 4,300 values, and the model was built on by training dataset applying logistic regression method, and we use step AIC function and we have values to get that particular final model, and around 16 iterations were there. And the final model evaluation was done on the test dataset, and we also checked the model stability using 3 parameters like accuracy, sensitivity, and specificity. We also check the variable stability using the case statistic and gift and gain chart, and we were got a pretty accurate model. Where we were able to identify 7 parameters affecting, 12 parameters affecting that. And also as per our it was case statistics, it was falling in 3rd decile. So again, it was a good indication that this is a good model which was working. So there were, as we got 12 parameters identified, 12 factors, we provided a recommendation like, say, suppose total working years. So we observed that yes, this is the important parameter which might affect the number of years since last promotion was another major factor which might affect the attrition rate, also marital status, and etc. So we provided the recommendation for all those parameters. And the logistic regression was again important factor to understand that yes, it is better than it was. Our model was providing good results. So overall, the event testing data was credible there, so it was appreciated by our mentors as well. So that's it. Thank you.